Hi everyone, here's how you can edit the titles of the view tools on your charts. Now when I say view tools, I mean the ones that display underneath the price chart, such as volume, RSI, or in this case I've got two relative index comparison tools overlaid on each other, and you can see the titles there in green and blue. Now what we can do, we can edit those to whatever you want them to be. So I'm just going to click on the green line there and you'll see the tool name properties on the left hand side. It says relative index comparison. I'm going to type in there, this is a quarterly ratio, so I'm going to type quarterly versus SPX because that's the green one. And when I click away, you'll see the title changes on the chart. So we can do the same for the blue one as well. Now, you don't have to do it in the properties panel. If we open the structures panel on the right hand side, you'll see it listed here as well. So we can change it this way. So I'm just going to change this one to SOX because the blue one is the ETF of the semiconductors. And when I click away, it just says quarterly versus SPX and SOX. Another example on this chart, I've got two moving averages over the volume. So this one's slightly different. So tool name moving average, if I type 22 MA to change the title there, if I then change the value or the properties of that tool, so I want to make it a 28 moving average, obviously the title doesn't change because it's locked in, it's hard coded. So there is a facility to use the properties in the title. So square brackets, bars, close square bracket, and then MA. So now when I click away, it knows it's going to use 28 MA, and as I change the value, the title automatically changes as well. Hope that's been useful. Any questions, please let us know, and don't forget to follow us on social media at Optuma on Twitter and Facebook. Thanks very much.